Hey, this is Sanjay. In the last video, we spoke about what is this Google Student Ambassador program is all about. Now, we're going to talk about how to register for this program and what are things you should keep in mind before you register. So let's get started. So the first thing, you need a registration link. So I will be sharing you the link in the description box. You can just click on the register now button, which will take you into a Google form. So this form is being created by Google, and over here you will be see a couple of things. It will ask you a couple of questions, so make sure that you have around 5 to 10 minutes of time to fill this particular form, because the selection process is very intense, and as I told you, people from all around the India and the universities will be applying. So there will be like a lot of people over here. So enter your name. Then submit your student ID proof. It can be your student card, or it can be any proof to show that okay, you're a student. So it can be your academic transcript, it can be your admission details, or it can be even ID card. Anything works. So you need to upload the file, take a photo in your phone, and put it on your thing. For example, I'm just uploading a sample Gemini file over here. So that has been done. So it will ask you for the email ID. So Sanjay at the rate record, you give your address, and it will ask you for phone number. I'm just giving a random number over here. 9112345678 9. Okay. Now it will ask you for your university name. So make sure that you type your exact university name. For example, I say this is a university I studied before, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, and enter the affiliated university name, complete name. Okay, so it's the same name. If you feel like okay, this is the complete name of the university, you can provide that. Enter your city. So this is the place, city you live in. For example, I used to study in Chennai, so I can just type Chennai. So this is a city you are in right now, or your university is in right now. And here you select your state. So mine was Tamil Nadu, and click on next. Over here, this is a couple of other questions, which is like asking you which AI tools you have been used before. So more the response, more it is good, which also shows you you are pretty much aligned with the AI space. So Grook, DeepSeek, Copilot, Meta, ChatGPT, I have used everything, right? Now, how familiar you are with Google Gemini? Of course, the question is very tricky over here. It's like want to try to understand how good you are with Gemini, because you are as a student leader, you will be responsible for leading the community regarding the Gemini thing. So it's up to you. I do select people who are good with the technology they are using to be likely to be the student ambassador, right? Now, which Google Gemini features have you used before? So again, this is another question to understand what all features you have used in that product. So these all things are important. Even if you have not used it, just go and try this out, which also makes you sure that okay, you know about this product, and try to answer most of it, because again, as I told you, we are selecting a student ambassador, and the product here is Gemini, which means, and for you to be likely get selected, we also look at, I mean, the team will be looking at all the respective output which you're giving. Google Gemini is only available in Android device. It's up to you um, whether to give a correct answer or not. I'm just giving a random answer here. And the this is the last stage, and this is a place where it take you some time. So have you ever been part of ambassador program before? If yes, which one? So this response is very important in for you to get selected. They are trying to understand who you are as a person. So don't just give yes, I've been part of this community. No, that's not the response they are receiving, looking for here. Even if you have not led any community, if you have been part of any of the student clubs, that would works over here, because we are looking for student who is uh, qualitative enough to lead a role, to influence other people. So being a part of any community in your college is one of the important things over here. Now, as you know, these programs will run till December 2025, which is 6 months. So you might have to dedicate around 5 to 6 week of your time per week to commit for this program. If yes, If you just ask and select the answer, time commitment will be hard for you, then your chance of likelihood to get selected for the next round will be less. Now the last one is like, why do you deserve to be a Google student ambassador? Show us your creativity. This is your chance to pitch yourself in a fun and unique way. So here they are looking for a unique way that you can pitch yourself. So this is a way too important point over here. It can be any image, it can be a poem which you have written, it can be a video recording yourself why you want to be there. But the size is 10 MB per file, so unlikely, I don't think there will be a video with a high length can be attached over here, but it can be write-ups, a small video on how to do the things and everything. um, that would be an ideal way for you to attach files over here. You can attach up to 5 supported files, or it can be a summary about you in any why do you want to be part of this program, or it can be some of your achievements which is published in the online media, online article, or any of the posters which you've been part of before. So you have an option to attach 5 supported file. This is one of the things which they will be looking forward to you to get selected for the next stage of interview. Once you click on submit, it might take some time to process. So if you are shortlisted, and shortlisting is based on the response you are giving over here, if you are shortlisted, the next stage of the process would be definitely the first stage of interview, which is would be like uh, a video call Google Meet interview for 20 minutes. We'll ask you a couple of other questions, which is very much similar to it. Why do you want to be part of those kind of things? Which so once this has been done, based on your response, you will get an email whether you've been part of selected in the university or not. So that's a very forward procedure, and more of any use cases, what you'll be doing, I have explained in the video, and you can also refer to this particular website. And if you have any FAQs like what exactly we are looking for, and what all the things, or what is the requirement, what you will be getting in return, everything is covered in this website, and reward policies. So in the next video, I will be coming up with how exactly you will be leading this program in the university, and how exactly the process